Going way back on these, so old that they don't even have UPC codes. These are 5 1/72nd scale Airfix model kits, mostly, well, not mostly, all airplanes, mostly jets. You got this guy here, but mostly jets. I'm going to give you a size marker so you can get an idea, but they are roughly about, I'd say, 7 by 8 inches. But that's the packaging. You don't care about the packaging so much as you care about the models, and the models, the only thing that counts is they are 1/72nd. So we're going to start off showing you all of them right here. I'll show you the backs as well, so you get an overall view, and then I will walk you through each and every one. So here you go. Here is what you're going to be getting. Let's take a look. Some really iconic planes throughout history. As we start off with the Whirlwind Mk1, we'll get some shots with the catalog. If I can keep the camera from moving around here, we'll get the back as well. And hey, guess what, folks? Oh boy, you've got the instructions. So I'm going to give you a little secret. Even if you don't buy these, you decide not to because you've already got one, but man, you can't put it together because you've lost the instructions. I won't tell anybody. If you go back, rewind, pause, and look at our set of instructions, we're here to help you. I want to show you that bubble because it is beautiful. Now, these have a little bit of dust, shelf wear, etc., but the bubbles, you'd expect these to be yellow and cracked. Instead, they are the opposite. One, we got the provenance of this original distribution sticker, as you can see right there. And look how clean and clear these bubbles. It's indicative of all of them. Look at my finger right here. You can see right through that bubble to it. No yellowing or anything. I don't know how they managed to pull that off, but I know our consigners did a good job of taking care of these over the years. They're just a curator for you as it moves on to its next journey. This is the Messerschmitt 262A. A little bit of a chunk taken out of the top there. We'll flip it over so you can see the same. This one remains unpunched. Hopefully it'll remain that way throughout transit to you. We'll do our best to pack these to make sure that stays the same. Those instructions right there. And finally, that clean bubble. The stickers. You can see it does have the decal sheet inside, and all around, another beauty. Coming up, we got another really iconic one. This is the Grumman Wildcat, long before their merger with Northrop, I suppose. So you got nice looking on the front, nice looking on the back. Let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Not zoom in, but focus in on that so you can see those instructions. Looking again very, very nice. Let's show you all the way around. This one has a little bit more schmutz on, a little bit more dirt on this, but still nice and clear. Reflects back nicely, still supple on that bubble, but just a little bit of shelf dirt. Some of that dust that builds up over the years. You got an older plane right here, the biplane, the Spad VII right here. WWII for you Romans out there. We will move this down, or sub for you Romans. I'm just going to do the whole walkthrough in Latin from now on. You can see those bubbles looking very, very nice. Or bone. And then the little sticker there as well. And a nice piece all around. Before we move on to our last, or Ultimatus, I'll show you that sticker. Forgot to show you the back. We'll do that in a moment, but we're already here. We're already looking. And of course, this one shows it off the best. For a second there, it felt like this bubble might have been loose. I'm going to check it with my hand. Nope, it's very nice. But there is something that I do want to point out, and that's a little bit of a dog ear right there. So we'll get a shot for the catalog of this. Again, we'll show you all around, and I'll go and just to double check in case maybe I missed something. Now, seeing it through the camera. Oh, you know what it was? I saw this, and I thought maybe the bubble might have cracked. No, that's just the sticker. So all around, some pretty cool stuff. We've got all 5 of them coming out to you. So now you've seen each one individually. Now you're going to see them all again together for the last time, except for one of you. For one of you, you'll get to see it as often as you want, as you are the winning bidder, and put it into your collection. You do that by heading on over to TheBigToyAuction.com. You can click on those links on the website right now to leave your pre-bid, or join us on auction day where you're going to get all 5 of these, all one money, all your way, and all you got to do is join us at the Big Toy Auction. We'll see you there.